Hi, good morning, good evening, everyone. This is the session 4. In this session, we will see, later I will tell what we will see, what is our agenda. Mainly when you are learning subject or when you want to do something. Vijay has sent, now you can see Bhargavi in middle, Rajni and Vijay. Rajni blue color, Bhargavi in middle, Vijay. Here we have Swapna IT, not on Swapna Salesforce. Our actual name is Swapna IT. So now, whenever you want to learn something, or not only learning, when you want to do something in life, you need to do watching, listening, reading, and fourth can be what? What is fourth one?
Understanding.
Speaking.
Practice.
Speaking. And fifth important point is
Writing also.
yes, writing. Sixth one is association. You have to associate with the people, those who are learning Salesforce. So then it will be easy for you. If you do these 6 tasks, you can easily do anything, whatever you want to do. These six steps are very, very important for anyone. So Shahrukh asked, why you don't do any other things? Because always we try to do this only. Because if you want to teach Salesforce, if you want to make your career, every time we have to do this. Every moment we have to do this. If we spend time on other things, that will be waste of time for us. So in that way we do. So for at least 5 to 6 months, you have to make everything. You have to watch Salesforce videos. You have to listen Salesforce content. You have to read Salesforce content. You have to speak Salesforce content. You have to write Salesforce content. You have to make friendship only with the people, those who are learning Salesforce. Seriously learning Salesforce. So that automatically everything will come to you. I think I am getting resound from somebody's. So you have to do this practice. It is the simple way to get into anything, whatever you want to do. When you fell in love with someone, we do all these things. But for subject, we don't do. Every time we will be in their thoughts, what they are doing. We will ask them, did you take breakfast? Did you take lunch? Snacks you had, dinner you had, good night, baby. All these things we do because we always think about them. Same, you have to fall in love with subject. Then it is easy for you. You can easily crack. So now we will come to our subject. Now, what is Salesforce? What is Salesforce?
It is a CRM tool.
Okay. Any other questions? CRM tool. Next, any other answers?
Cloud-based company. Cloud based.
Cloud,
Based.
Computing.
cloud.
Cloud-based company.
Next. Any other? Is it a technology? It is a concept. What it is?
It is help to marketing, sales, service.
Okay. So,
Where the people are located. Okay.
mhm. Mallikarjun, that answer is from Google or what? I don't know. So, whenever you come to Salesforce, basically it is a cloud concept plus mainly it is a CRM. These two things comes into picture when you talk about Salesforce. What is cloud concept? For example, you have data in your hard disk in laptop. Now your laptop fall down and it got damaged, severe damage. Hard disk completely damaged.
Siri, it is internal memory is gone. It's gone.
So it is completely damaged. You have important
Documents and data.
family photos or your marriage videos, your some function videos or photos are there, or your company documentation is there. Tomorrow you have delivery. So what is the solution now? Can you recover it? Is it possible to recover?
It's not possible.
It is not possible because your data is stored in local device. In your local device, your data is stored. So that device got damaged. You cannot retrieve anything from that. Now you have Gmail. You have documents and photos in Gmail. Your laptop got damaged. Can you recover data?
Yes, we will recover.
Here it is possible. Why?
Stored in the cloud,
It's
right?
stored in a cloud.
Stored in cloud. It is a cloud. Gmail is a cloud concept. Whatever you save in Gmail, it is stored in Google Cloud. What is Google Cloud? What is the Google Cloud? GCP, right? GCP. What is Amazon Cloud?
AWS.
AWS. What is Microsoft Cloud?
Azure.
Azure. Like this, there are many clouds. Many clouds are there. But why Salesforce became so popular? Why Salesforce is so popular? When there are so many clouds in the market, why Salesforce is so popular? Because cloud is storage, right? Cloud is for storage. And Salesforce has one more concept called CRM. What is meaning of CRM?
Customer relationship management.
Customer relationship management. Who needs customer relationship management?
Client.
Client IT companies.
To customer to client
Clients.
data you can do so.
B2C companies.
For example,
Business to
Now-
business need.
any business, if they don't maintain relationship with customers, can they run business?
No.
No, sir.
No.
If you want to run supermarket, you need to maintain relationship with customers. Otherwise, customer will go to another supermarket beside your shop. Beside your supermarket, there might be another supermarket. In Hyderabad, for each street, there are 10 supermarkets. Why should customer come to me? We have to maintain relationship with the customers. How we can maintain relationship with the customer? We can store customer
data.
at one place. When we store customer data at one place, means what customer data they will store? Basic information of the customer. What they take? They take your name,
Name.
Phone number.
mobile number, and your birth date. If required,
Email address.
Address.
anniversary date,
Address.
address,
Email. Email.
like this, they will take basic information of yours. This is the first thing in CRM. Next, what they take, what they capture, all your transaction details from day one through till date. Even if you go to any supermarket, if you purchase something 10 years back, if they type your phone number, all transactions, whatever you purchase from them, they will see, they can see. So based on the transactions, based on the purchases you made, they do some offers or discounts to you. How they will inform about those offers and discounts? They will send SMS or email, or they might send in WhatsApp. You are our priority customer. You will get this much amount discount, or we have these offers for you. And they can send birthday wishes to you, or anniversary wishes. Like this, if they maintain your data, they can improve their business. They can generate revenue. Through that revenue, they get profit. So there are two facilities. One is cloud storage. Second one is customer relationship management. From last 20 years, Salesforce is the world's #1 CRM. So every business needs a CRM. Salesforce has 150,000 customers, clients. This is very big number. This so many top companies are there. We have discussed in the first session from different domains, banks, government organization like federal government of USA, Dubai government. Very big companies are using Salesforce. You want to see that which companies are using Salesforce. You can go to Google, Salesforce, customer success stories. Ford is using Salesforce. Formula One is using Salesforce. L'Oreal is using Salesforce, ladies' favorite. So you can see all customer stories. Uber Eats is using Salesforce. You can check which companies are using Salesforce. You can check by industry. Healthcare and life sciences. So see, all these companies are using Salesforce. You can check media and entertainment. Remove this healthcare. NBC, Fox Sports. So all these media companies are using Salesforce. Transportation. You can see all these industries. Surfair, Air India, they recently started using Salesforce. KLM. So you can check which companies are using Salesforce. This is how you can check customer success stories. You want to have link, you can take this link. Next. So because of these two, Salesforce has highest jobs in the market when compared to other technologies. Next, when it is a cloud, they are providing CRM, and when it is a cloud, usually cloud vendors, any cloud vendor provides three kinds of services. Three kinds of services they provide. First one is software as a service. Second one is platform as a service. Third one is infrastructure as a service. These three services you can see as a service, as a service, as a service. Any cloud, they provide these three services. Whenever you take a service, a cloud, it is a service. It is not a product. All cloud vendors provide services, not products. What is difference between product and service? What is difference between product and service?
Product is produced by own.
Product is produced by,
Own.
I didn't get. Product is produced by,
By own. By client only. Product
okay.
based.
Company.
Here I am not asking in software terminology. Generally, I am asking what is difference between product.
Company.
You purchase a house, that is a product. If you rent in a house, that is a service.
Yes, it is correct. If you purchase house, if you buy a house, you
You
own
can
it,
buy
right?
a phone.
It is yours. If you rent a house, it is not your own. Buying a house is expensive, right?
Yes.
Renting a house is not expensive. It is cheaper. So cloud vendors provide services. Mark Benioff, he worked. Who is Mark Benioff?
Salesforce found.
Salesforce founder.
CEO and founder. Who is India Salesforce CEO? Who is India CEO? He is ex-CEO of SBI. Ladies,
Arundhati Bhattacharya.
yes, Arundhati Bhattacharya. She is ex-CEO of Salesforce. Follow her in LinkedIn. So many messages to for support. Okay, she is CEO of India Salesforce. Now he worked in Oracle Corporation initially. And Oracle used to sell products. Those products were expensive. How those are expensive is, as a executive member of Oracle Corporation, Mark Benioff used to communicate with clients. He used to gather what clients are feeling about the products of Oracle. And every client was complaining about the cost, licensing cost, and upgradation cost. What is difference between these two, licensing cost and upgradation cost? What is licensing cost and what is upgradation cost?
License is for one time, while upgradation is for like every time when upgrade comes, we need to upgrade it.
For example, now if you want to use Microsoft Office, do you need to pay or not?
Yes.
Some $200, let us assume. Tomorrow, Microsoft is coming up with another version, new version they are coming up. Maybe I don't know what is the Microsoft Office latest version. 2021. Now they are coming up with Microsoft Office 2023. They have added new features. Again, they have to purchase license or not?
Yes,
Yes.
sir, purchase.
Again, it will be $250 now. Again in 2025, one more release. Then again they will say now the cost is $300. Every time when software upgradation is happened, when they come up with new version, they have to pay money for the license. So they are keep on investing money on the license when it is a product. Mark Benioff, he took feedback from many clients and they were complaining to him. The cost of the license is every time we are investing so much money on licensing. If 100 employees are working, 100 employees has to take license, new licenses, new upgradations. Then how much cost for them? If the organizations are in profits, if those are big organizations, they can bear those expenses. But what about small and medium-sized organizations? Every year, if they release new softwares, for every system, now if you have Microsoft Office license in your laptop, your friend or your family member can use that license? They cannot. For each and every machine, you need separate license. So what he did was he made a proposal to Oracle board members. He said, we will come up with cloud based technology. We will come up with cloud based technology. Then what Oracle said is no. Board members denied his proposal because they were in the profits. Now if they want to come up with cloud based technology, again they have to invest money to build that software. We don't know whether it will be successful or not. But Mark Benioff has communication with a lot of clients and they complained about the product, about licensing cost. He believed that if we make cloud-based application, definitely customers will come. He believed it. Nobody believed. Those many board of directors, Oracle was the biggest organization. They have built Java. It is a very big organization. Even though they built Java, they did not show interest on this product. So he believed this product will be successful in the market. In 1999, he started with 4 employees. Salesforce.com started with 4 employees. How many employees are there in Salesforce now? 76,000 employees are there in Salesforce. Only in the Salesforce company. I am not telling about Salesforce technology. So many companies took Salesforce because they are providing services on rental basis. How much ever you use, whatever you use, pay for that only. They are providing services on rental basis as a service. They are providing everything as a service. They are providing this on rental basis. Automatically, many new companies, small, medium-sized and big companies, they took Salesforce. The result which we are here now is because of the decision made by Mark Benioff. So whenever you want to take some decision, you have to think whether this will work out or not. Now our institution is different than other institutions. We take mobile phones. for offline students, whenever they come to institution, we will give in the evening when they are going. And Rajni made them to sit like school children. Below 10th class, how we will sit in study hours. In the same way, she will make them to sit. And we have everyday exam. I believed this. If you do like this, student, if they completely focus on subject without distractions, if they sit for 4 to 5 months, they will definitely get job. I believed this. Even though they might be feeling stress, but I don't want to waste students' time. If you don't get job in Salesforce with this subject and whatever the facilities we are providing, whatever the content we are delivering, I will say you will not get job anywhere. Sit with us, spend time with us for 5 months. You will definitely get job. If you don't get, we will find other solutions. There is no question that you will not get job, because there are so many jobs in Salesforce. You need only one job. Every time if you open Naukri, LinkedIn or something, you will find at least I am saying 3,000 jobs in Salesforce. At least 3,000 jobs. Either it might be fresher or anything you take. You need only one job. If you apply for 100 companies, you will get 10 calls. You can clear interview in 10 calls. Then how many months you want, Ashwin? Somebody is asking. Ashwini Jaina. In how many months you think you can learn Salesforce?
Sir, I just visited the Salesforce platform and the trail-based details. So as I've already gone through those things, yeah, it necessarily approximately 3 to 4 months is max.
3 to 4 months. Swapna is teaching 9th batch now. It took 4 to 5 months. This is our real-time real-time experience. We have for every batch, we have 50 plus online students. 450 students we trained till now.
सर क्या है ना थोड़ा क्यूरियस हूँ सर क्योंकि सर यू नो लाइक करियर गैप है सो age earliest it will be completed at earliest I will be in market for searching of jobs and then like this. That's the thing.
If you complete in 3 to 4 months, you waited for how many years for job? In how many, for how many years you were you were waiting for job?
I didn't understand sir the question.
No. For how many years you studied?
I studied continuously 16 years, including my 12th, intermediate, my BTech.
Why 16 years? After 5 years you can get job, right? Why to study 11 years extra?
To get that 4 years knowledge, I have to start from the scratch. So that's why.
And Salesforce also same. If you want to get job, you have to learn properly. Who said it will be finished in 3 to 4 months? It will not be finished in 3 months.
No, sir, it's just question. So I am just a
No,
question and I am.
This research, anytime when you are doing something, you have to do proper research. If you don't do proper research, you might be, whatever you might thinking, it will become myth, not reality. There is lot of big difference between myth and reality. For example, now you are thinking it is 3 to 4 months is enough. You are thinking, but we are teaching from almost 2 years. And we have handled all the batches. And we know how we are teaching and how other people are teaching, we know. And it takes 4 to 5 months. And you have to be patiently learn each and everything. Now, if you practice well, if you go through each and every point, whatever we are explaining, if you go through each and every point and practice well, your life is settled in 6 months. In 6 months, you will be settled down. Whatever you said 3 to 4 months, it might be possible, but not for everyone. For some people, those without attending live sessions as well, they get job in Salesforce. How? They can go through YouTube videos.
Understood, sir.
Okay, because many students without guidance, they join some institution. What they consider, they come to Amirpet, they go to 4-5 institutions, they attend demos, and they find in which institute now batch is starting. Batch is starting now. They want to join immediately. This is called initial curiosity. When we will understand about the subject after 1 week, we will understand what is happening there. By the time you will pay fee, what you will do? Anyway, I have paid fee, I will continue here, and you will be struggling for the subject. So you can see our videos in YouTube for free of cost. With numbers we have. If somebody is really capable of doing it, they can do. There is no doubt in that. Many students from US, they got jobs because they have attended trainings in different places. They could not get anything. And the timing are not matching with our training timings. They have gone through recorded videos, they have got jobs, we have proofs for it. It is taking that much time. It is like that only, means this is our process and we want to make it clear. And if you don't study well, if you don't sit, the main thing is here, whenever we come now, the first point is keeping away your mobile phone. And second point is sitting for 8 hours. This is the most challenging part for the people, those who are not working. This might be thinking it is simple. It is so difficult. It is very difficult task. If you do it automatically, you will get job. That is our philosophy. Okay. So now Mark Benioff believed that, and I am believing this concept. If you sit 8 hours continuously, you will definitely get job. There is no doubt in that. So now after 4 employees, now it became 76,000 employees. And they have gained 1,50,000 clients. It keep on increasing. They have introduced so many clouds along with Salesforce CRM. When it comes to CRM, there is a sales cloud, marketing cloud, service cloud, health cloud, finance cloud. They recently came up with B2B. If you want to B2B cloud, commerce cloud they have. B2C, commerce cloud. So many clouds are there, because if it is a hospital, you can take health cloud directly. With minimum developers, with minimum efforts, you can build. Revenue cloud is there. Experience cloud. All these clouds they have introduced. If somebody wants, to build applications with Salesforce technology, they can easily build. Because of this only, so many clients are coming to Salesforce and so many jobs are available. So in this, they provide these three. Software as a service, it is called SAAS. Platform as a service, PAAS. Infrastructure as a service, IAAS. These are the three services. What are this software as a service? What is meaning of software? What is meaning of software? What is
Software
meaning of
is
that?
nothing but providing set of instructions to the computer system.
Okay. And what is infrastructure? What is meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? Oh. Software is a set of instructions. It is right. It is a ready-made application. It is a ready-made application. Software as a service. What ready-made application? What is this ready-made application? What is this ready-made application? What ready-made application they are providing?
Yeah,
Ready-made means what?
Duplicate.
The end user uses that application.
This ready-made application is to use.
Already designed.
It is already built. It is like a ready-made shirt. You can go to shop, you can select your color and size, and you can use it on the same moment. If you want to stitch it, you have to take cloth, you have to go to tailor, you have to wait. Which one is time consuming?
Cosmetics also.
Cloth material or ready-made shirt?
Readymade.
Ready-made is not taking time, right? So
Yes.
Salesforce is providing a ready-made application which you can use directly. That application is called Salesforce CRM. It contains marketing, sales, service applications. These three it contains. By using Salesforce CRM, you can automate marketing process, sales process, service process of the organization. What you will do in the marketing? What you will do in the marketing?
Advertising.
Campaigning lead.
Getting the leads. We promote our brand.
You can promote product, you can conduct campaigns, you can conduct online campaigns and promote your products. What is sales?
Opportunity.
Opportunity.
In the marketing, you can campaign, you can promote. Here, you can sell the products, right? You can sell the products. When you go to supermarket, you are using some application, right? They are scanning your items. You can sell the products. You can maintain the stock. All those things. And service. Once you purchase the product, if anything, any problem happened to the product, you can provide customer care, right? So this can be done through Salesforce CRM. That is software as a service. Now, if you want to promote about your product, if you want to sell your product, if you want to provide service to the sold out products, you need to store that data somewhere, right? Do you need to store data or not?
Yes.
Sir, background data is stored.
That is infrastructure as a service.
To store.
Here, infrastructure is to store.
Storage.
It is to store. You can store any kind of data here. To store data, Salesforce is providing a database called
Database.com.
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 This is a database.com is a database where data is stored in the form of rows and columns. And this database is available in instance. That is a server. Instance is nothing but a server. In Salesforce, server is called instance. They don't call it as server. In Oracle, we call them as server. In SQL, we call them as server. But in Salesforce, we call them as instance. What is called server is called what? Instance. These instances are stored in regions. Salesforce is providing 3 regions all over the world. They are providing 3 regions. What are those regions? We will see later. Right now, remember database.com, instance, regions. Each region contains different instances. So now there is a ready-made application. This application, this ready-made application and data is entered. What data we will have? If you take supermarket, what kind of data we will have? What kind of information we will have?
Product details.
Product and
Details.
price. Then transactions, right? Stock. These details are available, right? It is true or not?
Discount.
These
Yes,
details,
sir.
there are many other details. Along with these details and this ready-made application, Salesforce CRM, Salesforce CRM, it is also stored in this infrastructure, in the instance. Application and data, both are stored in infrastructure. That is the infrastructure as a service. It is to store application and data. Application is what here?
Ready-made application. Ready-made.
What is that application?
SAAS. Software as a
Salesforce CRM.
CRM.
SaaS in Salesforce is Salesforce CRM. Salesforce CRM and the data related to the organization, both are stored in infrastructure as a service. Now, for example, HDFC Bank has taken Salesforce CRM. HDFC has taken Salesforce CRM. Now, when we go to HDFC application, what we will see in the HDFC, how you will identify HDFC application? By seeing what you will identify?
Logo.
Is this
Logo,
HDFC application
website.
or not?
Yes.
Website.
This is the website. First, you are identifying with logo and their color, and those options are there. This is the HDFC application, mainly by looking at their logo. Whenever you purchase Salesforce CRM, whenever you take license, you will get Salesforce logo, not HDFC logo, because they are selling same CRM application to everyone. It might be HDFC, might be ICICI, it might be SBI, or it might be any educational institution, or it might be any manufacturing company. They are selling the same application, same Salesforce CRM they are selling. So they give their own ready-made application that can be used, but it needs some customization, some configuration is required. Some configuration is required. What configuration is required? Now they have given their application with Salesforce logo, but you have to change that logo to HDFC logo or ICICI logo or SBI logo. That is called either configuration or customization. This configuration and customization can be done through a platform. That can be done through a platform. What platform they are providing as part of platform as a service? They are providing a platform called force.com. This force.com platform is called development environment. It is a development environment. If you have this development environment, you can customize the ready-made application provided by Salesforce. They are providing a Salesforce CRM, ready-made application called Salesforce CRM. If you have this force.com platform, this development environment, you can customize the existing Salesforce CRM, or you can build your own CRM by using force.com. Getting? Either you can build your own CRM. You can build any kind of application, not only CRM. You can build any kind of application. Or you can customize the existing Salesforce CRM by using this force.com platform. Now, if you want to explain what Salesforce is providing, what services Salesforce is providing, they are providing three kinds of services: software as a service, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service. As part of software as a service, they are providing a ready-made application called Salesforce CRM.
So Salesforce CRM is it will be acting like a template.
It will be acting like a.
Will it be acting like a template, Salesforce CRM?
You can say, means till now template word is not used, but it is kind of a template. Template is a simple thing.
Okay.
It is a very small template.
Okay.
But Salesforce CRM is very big.
Okay.
Template is a very small word that we cannot use.
Okay.
Because Salesforce is much more bigger. Very big. Template is small. Very, very small. They are providing, as part of software as a service, they are providing a ready-made applications called Salesforce CRM. By using that Salesforce CRM, organizations can automate marketing, sales, service process. And they are providing infrastructure as a service. As part of infrastructure as a service, they are providing a database called database.com. Their data is stored in the form of rows and columns. This database is going to store in instance. That is nothing but a server. This instance is going to store in a region. Salesforce is providing three regions. And in Salesforce database, Salesforce CRM application is stored and organizational data is stored. And as part of platform as a service, they are providing a development environment called force.com. By using force.com, we can customize the existing CRM application and we can build new applications. Existing CRM and build new applications. This is what explanation for Salesforce services. Is it easy or difficult to answer? Anybody felt any difficulties to answer? Everybody understood it, right?
So IAAS and PAAS are same technology service.
No, I am not getting somebody.
So in Notepad, you have wrote that three services are like, one is software as a service,
Yeah.
and two is platform as a service, and third one is technology as a service. You wrote.
Infrastructure as a service. Where is technology?
Okay, so yeah, I took it wrongly. Thank you.
So I have a doubt. When some company using SaaS and PaaS, by using PaaS, the service now Salesforce will provide the domain name to use their services. In same cases, while using the SaaS, they provide the same domain name?
Domain name
Means like HDFC, ICICI.
yeah.
So what is the difference between SaaS and PaaS? And in both ways, we can see the domain over there, and in both cases, it will work as PaaS.
This is for what? Software as a service is for what?
To use.
Yes, for
You
CRM.
said that it is for marketing and sales.
It is
Sorry.
to store.
Storage.
Store.
It is
To build.
to
Develop
build.
to develop the
Build
build.
or develop, you can say. So whatever question you have asked, domain, right?
Yes, sir.
Domain is something different.
And what I try to say is the company name.
Yeah. That thing they have to talk with web hosting companies. That concept is different. This is a software, this is a technology to build applications. But whatever you are talking domain, GoDaddy, what they do? Domain providing web hosting companies, right?
Yes.
If you want to take hdfcbank.com, you have to communicate, that will client will take care of. Which website they want, they will decide. Okay. So we build these applications and we will host here in the domain. This is different, this is different. The hosting, the deployment part is different. That Swapna will explain how they deploy from different stages, from development environment to testing, from testing to production, how they will deploy. That Swapna will explain. That is a different concept. Here we have to understand these points, and this domain concept is different, Mallikarjun. This is not related to Salesforce. Getting? Mallikarjun?
I didn't get it, sir, but I think I should watch it again. So
Yeah.
I can understand it.
So
properly.
here, whenever we are explaining, focus on the point on which we are explaining only. Because if you try to link with this web hosting, assumption is okay, but that assumptions only for functionality. Whatever you are thinking is, whatever your assumption is okay, but the functionality wide it is okay, but the technology wide it is something different. You have to understand this technology. Then what will happen with domain, what will happen with these services, later we have to do. Okay, you watch it one more time about the services. Keep this away from your mind right now. This domain.
Please continue.
Yeah. So now this is done. One part is done. The next part is, now we understood these services. We have to see these services now. How we can see? You have to go to developer.salesforce.com, sign up. This is the edition. It is a free edition provided by Salesforce. They are providing different editions. Salesforce is providing different editions. Out of that, they are providing one free edition that is called Developer Edition. And they are providing paid editions. They are providing 4 different paid editions. Out of this, 99% of the companies use unlimited edition. The features whatever we are using in developer editions are same as unlimited edition. There is no difference. It is not a trial version. It is for practicing purpose. The features whatever we are practicing here, same you will see in your real-time work. No change. Do not worry. We are seeing something here. After going real time, what we will see, whether it will be same or not, I don't know real time. I am keeping 3 to 4 years experience. What I will see there, what confusions I will get there. Don't think about that. In other technologies, you can see, because other technologies provide trial editions, trial versions. When you go to real time editions, you will see something difficult, something different, something new you will see. But Salesforce, same features, same thing, same screens you will see. Same options are available for developer edition and unlimited. But there is a difference. The differences we don't need to know now. We should not get confused by understanding all those things. So to do this, to go to that edition, when you are taking this edition means when you are registering here means when you are signing up here means you are taking license from Salesforce. To get license, you need to give these details. 8 details you have to give. First one is name. Second one is email address. It should be a valid email address, because you will get verification email to this. And your role, anything you can give, it will not verify. Company name, you can give Swapna IT or Swapna Salesforce you give. Country, region, you are in India. If you are in US, give US. If you are in UK, give UK. And postal code you can give. Username, anything you can give, it should be in email format, @ I am giving batch Swapna Salesforce 10 @gmail.com. It won't check whether this user ID registered or not Gmail, but it will check whether this is unique or not. Postal code, I like it. I am clicking on sign me up. Almost there. Please check your email to confirm your account. So sometimes it takes time to get email. Now what happened is we have taken license from Salesforce. Whenever you take license from Salesforce, you will get how many services you will get? How many services you will get?
3
3 services.
marketing, sales,
What
service,
is that? Software as a service,
platform
platform
as a
as a
service,
service,
Service
infrastructure.
Infrastructure as a
As
service.
part of software as a service, what we get?
Salesforce CRM,
Everyone understanding, right? Now,
Yes.
as part of platform as a service, what platform we will get?
force.com,
And here, what we will get?
Database.
database.com,
Database.
Here, org is created. Memory is allocated to store application and data, right? Org is created. Whenever you took license from Salesforce, org is created and memory is allocated. When it happens, automatically these 3 services come to you. I am logging into the application. I don't know what email ID is. Let us check. Because if it comes, sometimes it takes time. What happens when it comes? It will ask for security question and a password. If you first time when you try to verify it, it will ask like that. I forgot this email ID, which one I have given. It is asking for verification code. CDCA, something I have given. Five 77883. So whenever you log in, that application, it is asking for password. Same like this, it will ask. So you will see application like this. This is a lightning view. Salesforce has 2 views. Lightning and Classic. Whenever you log in for the first time, it will take you to Lightning application. And there is one more application called Classic application. In the starting, first time, they have released Classic application. Still some companies are using Classic application. So these Classic applications are built by using Visualforce. Lightning applications are built by using Lightning Aura components or Lightning Web components. So here, if you want to build Classic applications, you need to know Visualforce. And to build Lightning applications, you have to know Lightning Aura components and Lightning Web components. They have introduced this in 2014 or 15, between 2014 and 2015. This is from starting. Whenever you log in, it will take you to, yeah, now we have got it. So you will get mail like this, verify account. You have to verify your account. Then it will ask for security question. New password it is asking and the security question. Change password. So here like this it came. Did you see any time this application? Anyone? Did you build this application or Salesforce has given? They have given. Whenever you take license from Salesforce, they have given. Here in the top right corner, you can click here and here you can see switch to Salesforce Classic. In the top right corner, this is called avatar. On this avatar, you click on that, you switch to Salesforce Classic. See this application. You can click on this and you can switch to Lightning experience. You can switch from Lightning to Classic, Classic to Lightning. Switch to Classic, switch to Lightning. You will see application same like this in real time. Here, you can see marketing, sales and service applications. See these three. As part of Salesforce, as part of software as a service, Salesforce is providing an application called Salesforce CRM, ready-made application called Salesforce CRM. It contains marketing, sales and service applications. By using this, organizations can automate marketing, sales and service processes. Now, same applications you can see in Lightning experience. Click on this. You can see marketing, service. Here you are seeing sales, sales console. These three applications are available in both Classic and Lightning. This is the way how you can create. Now what you have to do is you have to create your Salesforce developer account and you have to take screenshots. And from tomorrow, we will start understanding what are these different parts available in Salesforce, that we will understand. You have to take screenshot of this screen and keep in your document. Screenshot of this. I'm giving this as a homework.
Hi, Madhu.
Yeah.
So in Lightning application and Classic application, only features are same, right? Visual thing is same. Sorry, visualization is different and features are all are same in both.
Oh, different.
Okay.
There is difference between Classic and Lightning, because Classic is a older technology. You cannot do everything in with old technology. They have used very old Visualforce language, programming language. Everything is not possible like Lightning. So those differences we will see tomorrow. So yesterday homework, who did? I have received from Gloria. Let us open her document. This much only you sent, Gloria? Any other you missed?
Yes, sir. Only one.
Groceries online, start registration, food selection, place order, payment, customer center for confirmation of delivery, order preparation, delivery, finish. That is enough. You can choose 2 more and you can write. And you have to write your Word document with your name. On top, in header section, you keep your name and phone number and you insert page numbers. And I sent some quiz questions as well. You have to do that things.
Okay, sir.
So you have to habituate from now. Muhammad Khalik, let us open his document. See this document. Khalik, you have to enter your name on the top and insert page numbers.
Okay, sir.
So session 1, session 2, quiz 3 you gave, session 2. Session 2 you have missed it. Like this you have to maintain. This is a good way. And one more thing what you have to do is you have to change color of your question. Answer should be in one color, question should be in color. There should be a readability for your document. Okay, everybody see this document. You have to prepare like this. Insert page numbers and keep your name on header. And you have to keep screenshots. So let us see what he has wrote. Education. Get quote and check for the available courses offered. Student registration. College visit for checking the college premise and meeting with faculty, attending classes, getting study material, giving test monthly, weekly. So like this you have to do. E-commerce, registration with deals like name and email. Filling details of shipping address and doing KYC, checking application for required product, surfing application for any related useful product. Tourism, registration for details filling, checking application desired tour and offer given by the application, booking a tour with specific date and time, making payment online. So this much understanding is enough. Like this you have to maintain. Everybody has to do in the same way. They have to send. You have to send everyone. And did you see translation document, Khalik?
Yes, sir. I have checked the transcripts also.
Yeah, transcripts you have to see, everybody. So like this, because Sai Teja is offline, Rajni has guided to do like this. And session 2 you have finished. Session 1 also I have given questions. Session 3, because when you get Saturday, Sunday breaks, all pending works you should finish.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sure, sir.
Everything you have to do, because you should be in a systematic way for next 6 months until you get job. So every student has to send in this way. Ajay, he has sent. Ajay is there. You have to commit by yourself. You have to spend time. Okay. I don't know what is happening. Yeah, so send in email, not Google documentation. Sometimes it won't open. So everybody has to do it. So I'm stopping the call.